As we talk about the biggest performers in the Dow, no surprise it's the usual suspects. You've got Apple, Nike, Microsoft, and Visa, the best performers, all up by around 19-20% or more in that span just since the January 26th high. In the S&P 500, it's also computer chips, although that's the one that we maybe have to look at a little bit more closely. AMD, look at this, up a whopping 24% just since August. Ulta Beauty, Broadcom, Discovery, and L Brands. A massive move higher in kind of more cyclical, economically sensitive names. The thing, I guess, that is probably the most intriguing is going to happen at the end of the close today, when we will get probably the most significant re-racking of the S&P 500 in the better part of maybe 10 or 20 years. And the reason why is because S&P Dow Jones indices will create a new sector called communication services. It's going to replace telecom, which only has three or four stocks in it right now. But the big thing that you need to know is that tech and consumer discretionary giants are going to move from their sectors into this new communication services sector. The highlights are Facebook, no longer a tech stock, so to speak, communication stock. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, no longer tech. Twitter, no longer tech. Netflix, no longer consumer discretionary. They're all going into this massive comm services sector. So for those who are benchmarking against some of these indices, for those people who like to be tech investors, it may just change a little bit, Becky, about the way things are going to be worked out with how you invest and then how you benchmark your performance.